Hello everyone, welcome to Nidja Education. I hope you all are fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe it for getting new updates. Don't forget to press bell icon. Today I am going to teach you very first chapter of SS Standard 3rd, our universe. In this chapter we are going to learn about the objects of the universe, stars and constellation, sun and the solar system, planets and satellites. Have you seen the night sky? You can see some objects on the sky. Which are there? Stars, moon, clouds. Sometimes we can see the clouds also, right? Now we are going to know about the heavenly body that we can see in the night sky. Rather than these bodies, we can see so many objects in the sky. This is the part of our universe. What is universe? The universe is a vast expanse of space. Then what is the meaning of expanse? Expanse means a wide continuous area. Now you can understand what is universe? A universe is a vast expanse of space. What is universe contains? It contains various heavenly bodies like stars, planets, moon, and also dust particles, gases, pieces of rocks. Then what is a star? A star is a huge ball of hot burning gases. Have you seen the rhymes Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Yes. Do you know that the star is small twinkling lights? How can it possible? Yes, it is possible because the star is very far away from us. That is why it looks like a small twinkling star. Now you can understand what is star. We can see millions and millions of stars in the sky. Then these stars make galaxies. Do you know what is the galaxy? Yes, a large group of stars is called galaxy. Is this only one galaxy in the universe? No. There are many galaxies in the space. Our solar system is the part of one galaxy. It is located in the edge of this galaxy. This galaxy named Milky Way. Why it is called the Milky Way? Because our galaxy appears as a milky band of the light in the sky when we see in the really a dark area. Students, you know that what is galaxy, what is star. Now we are going to know about the constellation. What is the constellations? A group of stars that appear to form a pattern in the sky is called constellation. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, Ursa Majors, the Great Bear. We can see the Great Bear also known as a Saptarishi in our India. Here we see the objects of the universe, that is the stars, planets, moons and all. Now next to it we can see the star. What is a star? Star is a huge ball of hot burning gases. Constellation. Do you remember the constellation? It is appears the pattern like stars in the sky. Now the second we are going to know about the sun. What is sun? Do you know that the sun? Yes, we all are very well known about sun. But do you know that sun is also a star? How can it possible? Yes, it is also a star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases. The earth gets light and heat from the sun. There would be no life on earth without the sun. What is the importance of sun in our earth? Yes, it is very important for us because it gives us a heat and light to our plants, our human beings. Now we are going to know about the orbits. What is the orbit? For that we can know that what is the planet. Planet is the heavenly bodies It revolves around the sun. Sun has a solar system. 8 planets are revolve around the sun. And what is the orbit? The orbit is the fixed path that planets are revolve around the sun. The sun has 8 planets which circle around it in the fixed path called the orbit. What is solar system? The sun, the planets and their moons together form the solar system. Students, what is planet? Planet are the heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Do you know that how many planets in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets in our solar system. The 8 planets in our solar systems are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets have no light of their own. They get heat, light from the sun. The biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury, and the red planet is Mars, and our home planet Earth is known as the blue planet because of the existence of water in Earth. The Earth is only planets that living things can survive. Now we are going to know about what is satellite. A satellite are the heavenly objects that move around the planets. There are about 61 satellites in the space that move around different planets. The Earth has only one satellite called the moon. What is moon? We can see the moon as the brightest objects in the sky at night. It made up of various kind of objects. No air on the moon. We can see that the air is not there on the moon. That is why the gravity force is very less over there. Moon's age is same as the age of the Earth. It is 4.5 billion years. Solar system has the same age like moon and Earth. Moon moves around the Earth. The distance of the moon is about 384,365 kilometers away from us. Moon has no their own lights. However, it appears bright because of the sunlights falls on it. Now we can see that the moon, it keeps changing their phase. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you can understand the chapters. Have a nice day. Goodbye.